Hey, what's going on, nation? This is just for all those at home deciding to opt out and stay at home. Good for you guys. So our general warm-up for today, we got 3 rounds. We have a 100-meter run, 25-foot bear crawl, and then 5 push-ups. 100-meter run, runs to the end of your driveway or just run. A 100-meter run should take about 30 seconds or 15 seconds out, turn around, come back, 15 seconds back. Bear crawl, I'm sure you all have 25 feet somewhere in your house that you can bear crawl around or do it on the street, and then 5 push-ups. So you got 3 rounds of that, and then that'll be pretty much a general warm-up. On strength for today, it's just 10 minutes for quality. If you have a water jug like this at home, if you just have anything with a handle or anything you can grab, it would be perfect. Your kids work perfectly too. They got a shirt and the shorts. Just grab them like this, and you can use that. Same thing. So this whole complex is with one arm. So we're gonna start out with a 1 suitcase deadlift, 1 sumo deadlift, high pull, Russian swing, hang clean, hang snatch, and then a Turkish get down. So that will be your high pull. Our Russian swing, chest level, right? And then that hang clean with a water bottle. It might be a little hard because of the small handle, but you can make do. The hang snatch from the knee going all the way up, and then your Turkish get down. So from here, remember taking that lunge back. As we lunge back, we're still stable. My hand goes out to the side, my hips come up as he sweeps his foot underneath. Elbow, back. Now you've just been baptized. And that's it. So you do it on one side, do it on the other. Start again with the deadlift. Go through the same thing. High pull, Russian swing, hang clean, snatch, and then a Turkish get down. And then for our Metcon today, we have 4 rounds for time, and it's a 16-minute cap, so it's pretty much 4 minutes around. You have 10 double unders, 10 kipping knee tucks, hand release bottoms only burpees, 10 box dips, and a 400-meter run. So for your double unders, if you don't have a rope, I would say opt out. Just little jumping air squats. It should be fast. Your kipping knee tucks, you can do that good old. You can do some V-ups, maybe some sit-ups, or even the, what are they called? I think they're called lemon squeezers, where you bring your knees in, tuck in.
Yeah.
I think they're called lemon squeezers. And then your hand release bottoms only burpees, it is what it sounds like. You go down to the bottom of the burpee, right? You release your hands from the floor, do that little bottom only burpee, and then kick back in and do it again. Your box dips, you can pretty much lean up against anything in your house. We should all hopefully have something to lean on, chair, couch, kids, whatever, hands on, right, just dip it out. And then your run, I'd say if you don't really know how far 400 meters is in your neighborhood, same thing, run a minute out, turn around, run a minute back. Your average 400 is about 2 minutes. So yeah, so just run for a minute, turn around, come back. You should make it back within a minute. And that's it. Stay safe, stay clean.